Calling for snow tomorrow, so I hope we get a lot of snow and ice. That's what the auto body gods want. Dead paint, fresh paint. Give her a quick blend polish, make her look a little more respectable. This whole van, the paint's dead, and we got that. With the blend polish, I hit this half harder than I hit that front half just to try and get that shine, be more gradual. I don't get paid to do everything, unfortunately, to make this thing look like $1 million, but Makita. Previously loved bumper color match. Yikes, my guy. That feels good. Remaining 0. No way. It just moved. No way. I swear it was just zeros. We'll take it though. That's still really close.